Hey guys, make sure to stand till the end. We'll explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays and not to just assume that a fuse is good or bad, because that may cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford Mustang, that generation from year 2015 to year 2023. If you need to find where the blower motor fan relay is located, which relay you need to check, where to buy replacement relays and fuses at a good price, quick shipping, that way don't waste your money, and why it's important to test relays and fuses, all that will be covered absolutely free guys for your convenience. Make sure to stand till the end. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything guys. Anything from engines, transmissions, bodywork. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this absolutely free information. And if you guys need to buy any replacement fuses, relays, because some of those could be really expensive at the parts store, any parts, any tools for your car, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get our tool supplies from, and you can save a ton of money. So let's start on it now. So the blower motor relay, where it's located, we'll demonstrate on a 2018 Ford Mustang GT right here. The fuse box is on the left side. Even if you have a different engine, procedure should be about the same. You open that fuse box by pressing that notch and start lifting the cover up. It stays there attached. But now, good news guys, on the back side, right here, you have the fuse numbers and the relays printed here, and that layout corresponds to what we have here. Bad news, they don't tell you what it's for, so that's why we're making that video, to save you time and money. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the JK's fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So the blower motor fan relay, which relay we need to check specifically here guys. If you come right here, you're going to come in that fuse box fuse box section right here, talking about that one there. And by the way, if you need to buy replacement relays, those could be hard to find, check the link in the description of the video below. But right here we're going to talk about relay number 9292. That relay is for the blower motor fan here. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.